I'm a co-investigator on the MIXS instrument on the BepiColombo mission to Mercury. Part of our preparation is looking at data from the Messenger spacecraft. This is the only spacecraft to have orbited the planet Mercury, and it did so for 4 years. So we need to analyse that data and make sure we have as much information about Mercury as possible so that when we arrive at Mercury, we will be able to build upon a wealth of knowledge. And of course, when we arrive at the planet, that's when our job really starts, as data starts pouring back from our instruments. And we need to take that data, calibrate it, and then start analysing it in order to answer the key science questions that we posed. The unique part about the data that we're going to measure is that we have fantastic energy resolution, and that means that we'll be able to separate spectral peaks from different elements in a way that we haven't been able to do before. And so for the first time, we'll be able to pick out specific elements on the surface. But our instrument doesn't work in isolation. We have to look at the properties of the X-rays coming from the sun, and to do that, we need to work in partnership with another instrument called SIX. So we've got MIXS and SIX, and then a whole range of other instruments on board the spacecraft, and we need data from other instruments to give us the context for the measurements that we make. The other thing that we're really interested in looking at is craters, because when you form a crater, material from under the surface is ejected by the collision and lands on the surface around the edge of the crater. We have incredible spatial resolution, so we should be able to identify that material. It will tell us what's inside the planet. And that's a really difficult measurement to make as you orbit another planet.